I've uncovered a highly promising niche for 2024 with significant potential. For instance, this channel is reportedly earning between $20,000 and $50,000 monthly, as per Social Blade, by merely uploading straightforward voiceover shorts. The most exciting part is that the niche isn't saturated yet, but you'll need to act swiftly. YouTube is offering generous payouts to short video creators to stay competitive with other platforms. This makes it highly lucrative for you to start creating short videos. However, before diving in, it's crucial to select the right niche. Today, I've chosen dash cam commentary as a promising niche for you. Once we've settled on the niche, we can start looking for a suitable video to make a short form, and the best places to find dashcam related videos are on YouTube or TikTok. When using YouTube videos, ensure they fall under a Creative Commons license. To find such videos, type your search query in the search bar and then click on the filter button in the top right corner. From there, navigate to the Creative Commons option in the drop-down menu. Here you can find free to use videos. I have chosen this clip. Let's take a look. After selecting the perfect video, the next step is to craft its script. To create the best script that aligns with the video, conduct a simple analysis and describe what's happening on screen. For instance, the script for this video could be: a person was driving through Atlanta at night when a black sedan suddenly approached head-on in the wrong lane. The driver, taken aback, slows down the car. Little did the sedan driver know, a police car was right beside them. This led to the perpetrator getting caught, resulting in a surprising turn of events. After completing the script, our next step is to convert the text into speech. For this task, we'll be utilizing ElevenLabs' text-to-speech service. To initiate the conversion, visit ElevenLabs' website and paste your script into the designated text bar. Next, select the suitable speaker. In my case, I'll be choosing Chris. Then click on Generate Speech. Once the speech generation process is complete, we can proceed to edit the video. To edit our videos, we'll be using CapCut. Start by visiting the CapCut website and creating a new video project. Next, upload the video we downloaded from YouTube to the editing space. After the upload is complete, drag the video into the timeline. Correct the aspect ratio to make it a vertical video. Then, duplicate the video to use it as a background and resize the background video to cover the full screen. Next, navigate to the effects section and search for blur. Drag and drop the first blur option above the background video. Upload the audio and add it to the timeline. Finally, create captions of your choice and then export the video. Let's take a look at the result.
A person was driving through Atlanta at night when a black sedan suddenly approached head-on in the wrong lane. The driver, taken aback, slows down the car. Little did the sedan driver know, a police car was right beside them. This led to the perpetrator getting caught, resulting in a surprising turn of events.
I've launched my own shorts channel focusing on this niche. If you'd like to see how it's been going, please consider liking and subscribing. I'll be sharing my 1-week results with you soon. Thanks for your support.